is Isha and I'm in Matrix High School campus currently, and I'm here to join a workshop. Teachers here are very nice and they give us opportunity to present what is special in us. Else than studies, there are extracurricular activities like sports, computer labs, and library. I like library the most. It is a well-developed library, and we can see these type of libraries in a very less number of schools. And there's a lot of technological things like projectors in each class and speakers, so that what teacher is saying is audible to all, and we can present our doubts whenever we want, and it's very nice over here.
I'm going with a very nice experience from this workshop. Thank you.
Hello everybody, myself Sudan Malvia and I read in class 5 and I have given an Olympiad of Matrix and I passed it, and I passed the first round of Matrix, and Matrix High School gave me an opportunity to attend this campus of 7 days, and it was started from 27th and now it is the last day of this campus, and I loved it too much,